going on YouTube? It's your boy SJC. We are back with another review. Today I have another accessory for the PS5 to unbox and review. Now, this device was extremely hard for me to find. I searched for several days. I went to Walmart's, Best Buys, GameStops. I called all over town here in Los Angeles. I could not find it. Luck sprung up on me today and I came up on this device from when I went to go pick up my HD PS5 camera. Something told me to ask the guy behind the counter to see if he could locate this device. We have the Pulse 3D wireless headset I actually acquired today. One of the hardest accessories to the PS5. I can't tell you how hard it was for me to acquire this device. If you go look on the internet, I found this device reselling for a ridiculous amount of money. I would never pay those prices. I am very, very, very happy that I acquired a headset. So here we go. The PlayStation Pulse 3D wireless headset. Now, this device will work for the PS5 and the PS4. You have a dual hidden microphone. You have built-in battery for up to 12 hours of play. Now they have an easier access, they're claiming, so you can quickly adjust the audio and change the settings. It comes with a 35mm jack included. It has a wireless adapter, plug and play with PS5 console and PS4 console. So you can plug this into your PS5 or PS4 console with the wireless plug. All right, let's hop into it. Let's hop into this. Okay, right out of the box. Wow. You get PlayStation papers that come with it. Here is your charger. This is a USB-C charger. Your 3.5mm headphone jack. And your wireless adapter. Wow. Here are the Pulse 3D wireless headset. Wow, those are ridiculous. Oh wow, they fit comfortably. They don't feel like they would be uncomfortable on my ears at all for a long period of time. Yeah, I want to try these. Let's see. Okay, so when I connect them, oh wow, they sound really nice. Oh wow. When I turn Grand Theft Auto on, the music sounds really good. It sounds like it's giving off a virtual sound. Like I'm actually getting that surround sound feel. I'm actually getting that surround sound feel from these headphones. Wow, that actually sounds really good. Let me see if there's a difference with the wireless adapter. Okay, I plugged the wireless adapter into my PlayStation. Oh, wow. Hello? Hello, can you hear me? How's that sound? How does my mic sound? How how does my mic sound? Can you hear me clear? Alright, I was checking if it was choppy or not. I'm testing out the Pulse 3D wireless headphones right now. Let me see how a gun sounds. Oh wow. It kind of sounds muffled, but it sounds, you can differentiate the muffle. Sorry guys, I'm doing a review. Wow, it sounds really good. All right, it says, yeah. Now, are these headphones worth the $100? I think so. I feel like for the value that you get, because headphones are expensive. The quality sounds really good. It's crisp. You can hear the other person while playing a game. They sound really, really good. I feel for $100, American, US dollar, you'll get the most out of your PlayStation for $100, because audio headphones could go anywhere between hundreds to thousands of dollars for quality headphones. For the price that I paid for these, I feel that these are really good quality. For an extremely good gaming headset, you're gonna pay upwards of $200 to $250. That's about 300 pounds. The verdict is, these are worth the buy. These are well worth the purchase. My name is Scuffed Jim Carrey. Thank you for watching my unboxing and review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.